Mealtime Reviews, back with another review, and today we got cologne. So let's open it up with my handy dandy Milwaukee knife. Pop it open, see what we got. Go in. I actually got these like on sale, so I just grabbed two because I don't know what they smell like. I never heard of these guys, but they was half off. I think they was $17.99 a piece. So I was like, fucking steady paying $50-$60 for all the cologne. Let me just try these. Maybe they, smell good. So let me open one and see. Let's see how these boys smell, man. I hope they smell good. Get the presentation. Oh, I think I'm messing it up already. Here we go. Boom, that look good, don't it? Sparkling like jewelry. Yacht Man red. Okay, I don't know how you open it. Okay, that's how you open it. So I'm actually gonna spray it on one of these bears. So Yoshi on the, it's okay, how you supposed to spray it? Okay, let me see. It's kind of subtle, like it ain't loud, like it's kind of, okay, let's try this one. I'm gonna have to ask my family what they think, especially because I'm kind of sick and I can't smell too much, so. That was too hard, huh? I like the way this one looked. Okay. Okay, then we pop the top. How you pop it? Okay. Pop the top. I wonder, can you shoot? What's the purpose of this? What's the purpose of this little piece right here? Boy, don't make no sense. It's really in the way. Okay, Sonic, what you got? See. Shake him up, smell him. Shake him up, shake him up, shake him up, smell him. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I really can't smell it. Really can't smell it, so I don't know if it's... So I might have to go ask people. Ask my family in the house what they think, because I really can't smell it right now. And I don't want to give no wrong impression, but there you have it. I really don't like this right here. That's stupid to me. What is this for? It don't open. Oh, see, I done broke it. See? Breaking stuff already. But that's crazy anyway. Like, it's really like in the way. Like, okay. Dang. All right. There you have it. Like, comment, subscribe. Might have to do a later on review and see how people take to it. I might wear it to work today just to see if people say it smells good or whatever. I'll let y'all know, I guess, in the comments or something. But like, comment, subscribe, man. Mealtime Reviews, back at it again. Till next time, man, have a blessed day. Stay safe. It's hard out here for a pimp.